It's time for the greatest athleticism you've ever seen in your life. The pros and the leagues are shaking in their boots. With all the videos out there of talented bowlers showing their stuff, there's this series, as it is now time to watch me suck at bowling. Welcome to the final week of June 2018 for this edition of Watch Me Suck at Bowling, coming to you from Exeter Lanes in Exeter, New Hampshire. This has not been one of the best runs ever. The first game was a 74, but then we did okay with an 86, and then we fell apart and fell one short of the bottom end of average ability according to ICBA standards, a 79. So how will the final game go? We will find out after I tell you that. Watch Me Suck at Bowling is proud to sponsor the hit candlepin TV show King of the Palace. Instead of watching this, you can watch people that actually can play the game. Type in King of the Palace in the YouTube search bar and watch to your heart's content. If you like what you see and want to subscribe, go to youtube.com/newpalacelanes, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to see videos when they appear. And now, for the exact opposite of that show. Last game, frame 1, ball 1. Albeit weak, they do play music here, and when it's obvious, the audio, unfortunately, will be muted. Ball 2. Ball 3, I just can't win. Dave Matalis says that this 4-pin configuration is rare. Not for me, it isn't. Very frequent. We start off with an 8. And for those of you who like the pin setters, here's the Bowlmore Model E in action. Clearing the deck and placing the new set of pins, and there you go. Frame 2, ball 1. This time, at least something went down in that narrow 4-pin configuration. Usually it doesn't. 2. Ball 3, a little luck there. 8. It's not the best of starts, but it ain't too bad. We got a pair of 8s with a 16 after 2. Very doable. Let's see if we can keep the momentum going. Frame 3, ball 1. Ball 2, not as tough as Mason's, but same scores. Ball 3. There's another 8. Frame 4, ball 1. Ball 2. Ball 3. 10. Those two frames went even better. We still got an 8 and 3, but then a 10 and 4. Marks would be better, but 34 isn't a bad start. Frame 5, ball 1. Ball 2. Ball 3. Only 5. Frame 6, ball 1. Ball 2. Ball 3. Another lousy frame, this time a 6. It looks like the bottom fell out. We only got a 5 and 5 and a 6 and 6. The scores match the frames. Not good. 45. Can we pull out of the tailspin? Frame 7, ball 1. Ball 2, I never understand. Ball 3. Nice recovery. 8. Frame 8, ball 1. It's still a bit rough, but it looks like the 8 is a start of a recovery. Can we keep that going? The answer is no. That's no good. Reset. Ball 2, trying for the Emily. That is named after a professional female bowler who was famous for missing everything on the first ball and getting them all on the second. Ball 3. In spite of the 8 that we got previously, it looks like the train has derailed. Another wonderful 5. Yep, the train fell off the tracks. We got an 8 and 7, which is alright. Then back to reality with a 5 and 8. 58. Safe to say this is not going to be a good game. Frame 9, ball 1. Only one good game here today. There is still hope. A strike or a spare. Not putting money on that. Ball 2. Now we need a spare. The only good thing about that patented shot, very easy to make. We can now kiss that good game goodbye. Ball 3. Another lousy 6. Last frame, last game, ball 1. Nothing good today except for that one game. There's still a tiny bit of hope, but we must mark this time. Last frame needed, this time must. It's a check mark on the right, which it is a doable spare. And here comes a piece of wood, but it's gonna stop just short of interfering. Ball 2 made it to mediocrity. Yippee. Now it's over. Let's get it over with. The question now is, will it barely make mediocrity, or will we be in the middle of mediocrity? Well, we end with a decent frame, 9. Per usual, we end in a whimper. We got the lousy 6 and 9. A decent end with a 9 and 10, but unfortunately the score was too low, and we end with a 73. that concludes this month's edition of Watch Me Suck at Bowling from Exeter Lanes in Exeter, New Hampshire. Stay tuned for July's shows, as it will be coming from where we originally tried to shoot this month's shows, Riverwalk Lanes in Amesbury, Massachusetts. This is George F551 saying hope you enjoyed, and have a good one.